Hello, beautiful family, lovers of good things, lovers of important personnel all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So in this platform, we react to all videos and we give you all the latest updates. In fact, we draw the world closer to your doorstep. So please watch this video and I will be watching it with you. Don't forget, drop your opinion in the comment section and I'll be right back.
A very quick one. Going directly to the governor of Abia State. Right now. Before this is the kind of thing inside the compound. Imo State. Government Imo State na about the so I got to go na state Abia. So I'm on Alex Otio. You have already placed 25 million naira bounty. No one will get information about Ndeberabu and the army. Non so Kwapadorie. When we talk of Biafra resuscitation or Biafra coming back, we are not talking of violence. We hide the violence, we hide the violence in any way. And that is why we are also asking the governor of Abia State to make sure that because I know if the governor comes out now, saying that they should stop. But the governor of Banketi, they will continue to do it. Because he's the chief security officer of that state. I won't damn it. So they're very, very wrong. They will arrest. Now when one girl money back, 1 year work 70 years, now 1 year one is 20 years. Can they be Jerry Bruno Loha? How about no lawyer? As in no log. Who does that? Who does that? That is their own game like this. Game Nigeria. Are they even professionals? Can they throw her? Who trained them? Then I wouldn't damn again here get trained when they damn also. This is the kind of training they give them in the military in Nigeria. Come on, gather intelligence. Umaka ebehano. Umaka happy nimolo. Umaka binimo here. Umaka binone here na Abia Junction naba. Happy inside the bush. That is where you go and get them. Gina gagari nimolo on them mother. Coco on them mother. Abroma umaka antakre. Then when he hammer. 170 years upuli elebe. Umwe bara no hanan. Boro 1 year wine. Boro kemuke. Gesi na hamde how unde IPOB. Umaka have ebuli elebe. Besides, it is not IPOB. Criminals. They are not IPOB members. And I will keep saying it. This you people are giving the dog a bad name just to hang it. To keep detaining Nnamdi. That is the end game of all these things. That is what they are doing. That is what they are doing. So I am calling upon the Abia State government. I am calling upon the Abia State government to stop this thing in Emanaba. The earlier the better. The earlier the better. Abia State or Imo State. Abia State or Imo State. This is the kind of things rubbish in Imo State here. You know, it is very wrong. What is very wrong? Because you got to soldier to say to the government, the governor of Abia State. That the army they are arresting people. Now one man and one woman and one woman the pictures are here. You got here. You know? You got in a comment section. You got who came to there now. She am a treat guy harassing people. A metal go mad. How can happen them here? That is the problem I have with these people. Come on, I got intelligence. Is this how American military behave? Is it even the Cote d'Ivoire here? Is it how their military behave? Even Ghana here, is it how their military behave? So when such a thing happens, you come down and study the terrain. That is how to do it. You come down and study the terrain. Gather intelligence. Within 48 hours, he will not result. Man ha ga-ewere ya arresting people, harassing people, killing people, were ihe ndị ahụ agbafuo. Time ha ga-eji achụwa ndị a ka ha ga-eji mewe ihe na-enweghị isi. Those people erie mbọmbọ. That is the problem we have with them. You know? So the governor of Abia State should step in now. Nye step in now. Haha, Abia ga-adị Imo and ọ gaghị like ya. This development now, man on ndị iro na-eme. Ihe ọfụrụ na-eme na Abia kịta, man on ndị iro. Man on enemies of the government of Abia State na-eme that thing because he is becoming somebody. O nwere ike sef ndị ahụ bịara ihe ahụ echi ha abịa. I'm telling you, o nwere ike sef ndị ahụ bịara ebe ahụ shi somewhere abịa ha si another state bịa mee ihe ahụ so that can put to a stop to developmental strides of the governor of Abia State, Alex Oti. I have studied these people, Marande how they don't like progress, they don't like development. Otu Alex Oti no na akwụna Alex Oti everywhere, everybody got Alex Oti, everybody got Obi adịghị some governors of Nigeria mma. They can even sponsor that in Umereno. She had JM at least Okochotoya. Una de her way. Ha! Lekwenda. Amamunda very well now. Nigerian politicians. The governor Alibo. The governor Nigeria. If you study them very well, Gaman and that the wicked. That they hate each other. That Robru ni of mass governor ne way he way. I got seen in a meboha. Can the madam Hana or Okia? You see what you are doing. Iti loko na aba, ero olozo, imeneka, and the weben camera. So can they buy Oazan Yoguna? See no when if I arrow. Alex Oti, be wise. Governor Alex Oti, be wise. And I am again an abana. Kunyoya now. Maga kunyo here now. Maga kunyo here now. Abia. Gadikimo and the man like here because each of development, because each of progress in your state, because each wall, how do you make a man wall? So Kunyoya now and they come up with a very strong press release against the military. Here, honey, and the mad. And you go that advice in Kim as only bombo. Maraquano bonk when he had a man, no matter to has a me hane. Bondesina Hanachi state here in Nigeria or Katasana Libeba. Ofuanya do. Ofuanya do malihime pianyoya na emeketa pianyoya right now. They should release ndeni haporo. The military should release ndeni haporo. They should go inside the bush and look for them, or they should demarcate and block every nda nagon ifo meta ya ka hakaribe all the boundaries leading to Abia State ya ka ime ha block to ya ha block to all the boundaries leading to Abia. Chebriye mana ha ga-apụ ya kwesịrị ime na-eme ihe ọzọ ndị a na Governor Alex Oti nwune ọkwa advice ka m nye ego ịma na asụ ngwa sụọ ọnụ n'ikwe ka ọ dịrị ndị Abịa mma. Ndewo.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye bye.